Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be going over ChatGPT 4 for email marketing and email writing, of course. Let's get right on into it. So what makes this so unique is that with ChatGPT 4, it's much more capable of understanding what you're trying to give it. So I can give it this formula or template and it will use it for any type of email that I want to create. Let's take a look at it down below. So here's the formula that I want you to use for this email. That's right, ChatGPT, you're using this, okay? So first part, open with a hook or something exciting. Kind of made this up off the top of my head. I did do a separate video when it comes to email marketing and affiliate marketing, which is kind of similar but different. You can use any template you want, just make sure you kind of craft it in a way that it understands what you're talking about. Next few sentences. Talk about the benefits of the previous hook. Next, talk about how you created a free YouTube training video. Lastly, give a call to action where they can click to watch the training. And I guess that wasn't lastly since we have a PS, but add a funny PS related to the topic. So now that's the formula. So if you were writing this yourself, this is what you would use as a template or formula, and you would plug in what you're talking about. In this case, I said, I want you to use this formula to write an email to my subscribers when talking about a golf swing. So you can be a little bit more specific, like fixing your golf swing or getting better at putting or getting started golfing or something along the lines of that. But I kept it a little broad to give it more room to kind of, do whatever it wants. So now that we have that, this is going to be pretty much, you could use all of this when talking about, say you like this template, you could just copy all of this right here and then change this one aspect right here. So I will be back in a few seconds when this is done. All right, so let's take a look at it. I want to go over each of the specific aspects of the formula just to make sure it's covered. So open with a hook or something exciting. Are you ready to revolutionize your golf game? We've discovered the ultimate secret, everybody, to help you perfect your swing and make your friends green with envy. So that's something exciting. Nailed that, right? So next few sentences talk about the benefits of the previous hook. So it's smart enough to know this is what you're going to learn about and what are the benefits. By incorporating our exclusive technique into your golf swing, you'll experience benefits. It literally says it, like increased accuracy, improved distance, and reduced strain on your body. Say goodbye to those frustrating off-target shots and hello to a new era of golfing success. Perfect. Now talk about how you created a free YouTube training video. This almost sounds like it's going to be a promotion for a product, but it ends up being a free YouTube training. Pretty cool. To share this with you, we've created a free YouTube training video that breaks down the techniques step by step. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer to the sport, this video will have you swinging like a champion in no time. Perfect. So almost lastly, right? Give a call to action, and then we have a PS that's funny. Don't miss the opportunity to unlock your full golfing potential. Click the link below to watch the training and elevate your golf game today. And there's our call to action. There's going to be the link. And then we have our funny PS. Did you know that golf balls have dimples to reduce air resistance and improve their flight? With our technique, you'll be hitting those dimpled wonders so far, they'll need a passport for this. That's such a dad joke. It's so cheesy, but hey, it's exactly what we were looking for here. Let's do one more example. So remember, we have this headline formula. Let's copy all of this and we will enter in our topic. Actually, let's do a new chat. All right, so what is the topic today, or the last topic? Starting an online business on a shoestring budget. Remember, everything is the same. Let's continue. See you soon. All right, so here we have it. First, we have a very long subject line. If you want to use that, that's fine. You could also ask it for some subject lines too. But have you ever dreamt of starting your own online business, but worried that your tight budget would hold you back? Well, worry no more. I've discovered the secret to building a successful online business on a shoestring budget, and I'm going to share it with you. This game-changing strategy will empower you to create a thriving online business without breaking the bank. You'll learn how to cut costs without compromising on quality, leverage free tools and resources, and build a loyal customer base that'll keep coming back for more. Not only will this save you money, but it'll also give you the confidence and freedom to pursue your entrepreneurial dreams. So, as we talked about, something exciting, how you can do it on a shoestring budget, talking about the benefits, and now we're going to be rolling on to the actual YouTube aspect. So to help you get started, I've created an exclusive free YouTube training video that will guide you through the entire process. Step-by-steps, tips, so on and so forth. Call to action going to be right here. It's funny, if you hover over, it has watch and then example. And of course, we have the last one. Rome wasn't built in a day, but with this shoestring budget strategy, your online empire just might be built in a month or maybe two, but who's counting? So don't wait. Click the link above and get started now. So there you have it. That's going to be some examples with ChatGPT 4 in email writing, email marketing, whatever you want to call it. But how cool is that though? This is just such a big improvement compared to the previous ones where it can understand what you're talking about. It's like training it to learn this formula or this template and then plugging it in with whatever topic you want, like we talked about. So everything right here is going to be the same. Then you just add whatever the topic is. So you can obviously change this around. I came up with this off the top of my head. So if you have a template you want to use, you want to try out, feel free and use this prompt, plug it in, and go from there. So hope you got some value out of this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.